While driving, visibility is important. And with windscreen fluid or screen washer, you keep it clean. Check the level of the screen wash regularly and top up if needed. There are two types of screen wash, a summer and a winter type. And the first one is often pink or yellow, and the second is most frequently blue. And the winter version contains an antifreeze and is therefore suitable for lower temperatures. Screen wash should clean effectively, but should not be aggressive. Eurol Screen Wash has a unique formula because it cleans effectively and it doesn't harm your glass, laque, plastic or rubbers. And therefore Eurol Screen Wash is safe for your car and good for the environment. Make sure you always have a bottle of screen wash reserved in your car. You want to know more? Go to eurol.com or follow us on social media.